fact, I'll show you how you can make more money in a recession than you can make in a booming economy. I'll share with you how you can make more money when cost of living goes up. You can make more money if gas goes $5, $6, $7, $8 a gallon, you can make more money. If groceries go up in cost, you can make more money. If times are tough out there for other people, that's a sign that you can make more money. And the reason is because online marketing is just a completely different game. You can't compare it. It usually does the opposite of what the world out there does. When the economy goes bad, right? Like let's say during COVID, everybody flocks online. Everybody floods social media sites. People have time on their hands. When the economy's bad, people are getting laid off. They have time on their hands. Everybody's doing the thumb dance on their phone. And that means that you have a chance to be able to get their attention in that moment and be able to bring them into something. And you might say, but if they don't have money, then how do I get paid? The game has changed, y'all. You can refer them in for free. You can have them in for free. You can have them be an affiliate for free. You can have them get free trials. You can have them use your affiliate link to sign up for free programs, and you get paid every single step along the way. Think about YouTube, for example. You make a YouTube video, that YouTube video does millions of views. Nobody pays for it, but you get paid. You make bank. Nobody pays for it. You just get paid, right? Because there's advertising dollars, there's sponsors, there's platform revenue. Guys, the game has changed. So I wanted to kind of start off with that little rant at the beginning, 10-minute rant, just sharing with you guys that the industry is completely changed. And I believe it is easier to make money now than ever before because there's more knowledge, there's more education, there's more resources. What used to take 2 weeks to build a site, I can build a website in a day. What used to take weeks to be able to build a sales page or a sales funnel, I can build in a day, even in an hour. Everything has changed. Tools that used to be so expensive I couldn't afford them are now free. You could literally go and type a prompt into AI. You know what I'm saying? You could type a prompt into AI and it'll build something for you. It is easier now than ever to make money online.